How to fix OneDrive error 0x8004e4c3 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The Network Troubleshooter is an inbuilt Windows tool designed to identify and resolve common network-related issues that could be affecting OneDrive. It works by diagnosing the system for network problems and then implementing automatic fixes where possible. Restarting OneDrive can clear minor glitches and restore normal function by refreshing the app and its connections. Right-click on the OneDrive icon in the system tray. Click on Close OneDrive. Go to your Start menu, search for OneDrive, and open the application again. OneDrive uses Transport Layer Security, TLS, to establish a secure connection with its servers. If TLS is disabled, OneDrive might face issues syncing files. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your system to apply the changes. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.